purpose of this video is to show you how to cook chapagetti right over here. In case you're wondering about the nutrition facts, right over here. Just something interesting about chapagetti. If you hadn't noticed, when I say it in Korean, it sounds like spaghetti, right? This is just Korean or Chinese / Korean style spaghetti. So with that said, I'm going to go ahead and get the water to boil and show you how I cook chapagetti. Alright, so it looks like we got a nice boil going here. What I'm going to do is go ahead and open up this package. So in this package you have the soybean paste, the carrots and the meat and dried onions and all that stuff. And then you have the noodle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put in the dehydrated meat, carrots, onions, whatever else is in this packet here. Then I'm going to go ahead and add these noodles. And I usually cook these noodles for about 3 minutes. I like my noodles to be a little bit more on the al dente side. So it's just break them up so that they all cook evenly. Leave it alone. Wait for the noodles to cook through until you get a nice al dente feel. Like I said, usually time it at about 3 minutes when it's on really high heat. Okay, and once you get the noodles to the desired texture, go ahead and turn off the heat and then drain the water. So I'm going to go to my sink and drain this water real quick, but leave a little bit of water left because you're going to need that for the soybean paste mixture that we're about to put in. Okay, so I've drained the water, and as you can see, I've left some hot water left. I'm not going to turn on the heat again. I'm just going to use the residual heat from the stove. Now it's time to add the soybean paste mixture. Go ahead and add that mixture in. And then just go ahead and stir it till you get till all the noodles are covered in the soybean mixture. You see the liquid or the hot water that I left behind will slowly start to thicken. See that? The reason why I don't cook it for the full 5 minutes that's shown on the instructions is when you're doing this part, it's still continuing to cook. And since I like my noodles al dente, I don't want them to be overcooked and, you know, too soft, right? So okay. So if you take a look at this, it's pretty much a done product. The sauce is starting to thicken really nicely. It's evenly mixed in the noodles. I'm gonna go ahead and plate this and show you the final plating. Okay, so I just finished plating, and this is what it looks like when it's fully done. It's a nice, quick snack that you can make that's really delicious. Just wanted to make sure that, you know, I wanted to save people time from not making this correctly, because some people make it too watery, or they don't add enough water, or they overcook the noodles. And I've eaten this snack for quite a while, so I'd like to say I know exactly how to cook it the way that most people will like it. So I hope you enjoy this video. Thanks.